Hello there. Let's take a look at the latest weather for the week ahead. On Wednesday, we did have some sunshine around, but it was a very wet start to the day across southern counties of England, particularly through Hampshire and the Isle of Wight. You can see flooded roads there in East Cowes on the island, not far from the ferry terminal. And whilst we did have a Met Office amber warning out for that heavy rain, it was significant. Some parts of the island, in Cainityn, for example, seeing 3 weeks' worth of October rainfall in just over 12 hours.
I'm a bit confused because it feels cold and then it feels mild all of a sudden as well. We're kind of in that transition period, aren't we?
Yeah, we absolutely are. Yeah, morning to you, Naga and Charlie. Morning to you at home too. Yes, temperatures have been a little bit up and down, haven't they, over the past few days? But actually, for the rest of this week, rest of October, it's looking reasonably mild. So we're not expecting any frosty nights, and that's down to the fact that we've got quite a lot of wind, rain and cloud around. So it's really going to be very unsettled over the next few days. Rain fairly unwelcome for some of us, particularly across eastern Scotland, where it's going to be pretty wet for the next 5 days or so.
Hello there, good morning to you. It's a showery start to the day. There'll be fewer showers around later though, and it will brighten up quite nicely with decent spells of autumn sunshine.
Oh, yeah. Good morning, Charlie and Naga. Well, lovely weather for ducks, I think, over the next few days. This was actually yesterday, Keswick in Cumbria. We've got more of this. We've got more cloud around through today and for the next few days as well. So no great change in the weather for the rest of October, really. It's remaining unsettled. We're going to see spells of rain or showers. It's going to be particularly wet for parts of eastern Scotland, where we saw some flooding, of course, last week, courtesy of Storm Babette. But let's take a look at the rainfall accumulation. So this is the next 3 days. So rain across pretty much all of the UK, perhaps a bit drier for the west of Scotland, but it's eastern Scotland here where we could see up to about 100 millimetres of rain between today and the end of the weekend.
Sarah's taking a look at the weather for us. Sarah, it definitely feels, morning to you, by the way, it definitely feels autumnal, don't you think?
Good morning. Absolutely, doesn't it? Yeah, we've got the wind, the rain around as well. It feels autumnal. It feels really unsettled. So we haven't got the autumnal frost and fog at the moment, but what we are going to see is the showers or the longer spells of rain as well. Now, this is the picture this morning. The sun just creeping above the horizon in Scarborough. The shower cloud already building there.
A lovely picture there, but I think the skyline says it all, doesn't it? Kind of very mixed.
Absolutely, yeah. Morning to you, Naga and Charlie. Morning to you at home. Mixed is the word. Changeable, certainly, over the next few days. A very unsettled spell of autumnal weather for all of us, really, for the rest of October. But this is how we start this morning off the coast of Hampshire. Yes, a little bit of sunshine starting to creep in, but we have got a lot of cloud, and that cloud is just creeping its way north, bringing outbreaks of rain.
I think, you know, when you're in that in-between stage of whether or not you need a woolly hat or a scarf or a thicker coat, kind of juggling.
Absolutely, it's that wardrobe dilemma, isn't it? But certainly waterproofs close by, umbrellas as well over the next few days, because although it's not going to be particularly cold, it is going to be unsettled, often breezy, outbreaks of rain. This is the picture in Seaford, East Sussex this morning. Many of us waking up to similar scenes, so quite a lot of cloud. That cloud is producing outbreaks of rain for many of us through the day. Well, it's looking mixed out there this morning, Charlie, not just for today, but for the next few days as well. So, yeah, really autumnal, really changeable weather for you, really for the remainder of October. So, bit of blue sky breaking through, but this is the picture in Newcastle, County Down this morning. We've got the rain clouds around there. They should be easing away, I think, from Northern Ireland, but the rain will be pushing northwards and eastwards for many of us through the day.